This is the Cars and Copters event in Huntington Beach. This is my second year doing it with a helicopter and a car. It's to support the Huntington Beach Police Officers Charitable Foundation. It combines two of my favorite things, cars and helicopters, and well, I brought one of each.
Mother's locally based in Huntington Beach. The money that's raised here supports fallen officers, the K-9 division, as well as the SWAT officers. The public gets to come for free. They get to enjoy cars that they've never seen in their whole life in person and get to really experience the automotive industry.
This is my third year being at Cars and Copters, 2002 Trans Am. Had this car since 2012, 46,000 original miles on it, but nothing on it is stock. It's all fully aftermarket. 1,120 horsepower out of the LS engine, and keeps it clean because it just is able to stay in the garage, and obviously being very meticulous since it has black paint. It's all original paint as well.
It's a great event. I brought my car out, which is a brand new C8 Z06 2023 Corvette, and I'm having a great time. And the people out here with their families just enjoying themselves.